Hello students, how are you today? Here I am with another lesson, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. Thank you. Now follow me on the next slide. This is about making a doctor's appointment. It is for the beginners and entry 1 students. All right. So when you phone, the reception will answer the phone and let's practice together. Good morning, Dr. Surgery. Can I help you? Good morning. I need an appointment, please. Is it for you? Yes, it is. When would you like to come? Can I come today at 2 o'clock, please? I am sorry. I don't have any appointments for today. Can you come tomorrow at 2 o'clock? Yes, that's fine. I can come tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Okay, can I have your full name, please? It's Nisha Green. Can you spell your first name, please? It's N-E-S-H-A. And your date of birth, please? It's 1st of January, 1966. What is your full address, please? 2 High Street, Harrow, H22LZH. Okay, see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. Okay, students, you can practice with your colleague, somebody in the class, a friend, a family member, but you must try phoning the doctors yourself to make an appointment. This is how you will learn. All right, until next time, thank you for listening. And with another lesson, see you again. Bye-bye now.